Okay, for today, I thought maybe this Celtic design would be kind of fun. I mean, you can go online and find millions of fun designs like this. I mean, this is a common one, but I just thought after doing the video of the vine and how they kind of intertwine that this might be the next level in showing depth and how things can kind of go under and over each other. Anyways, if you've watched the Vine video, you'll understand what I'm talking about. But okay, let's get started on this thing. that's pretty good to show you. I mean, you can keep doing what I'm doing and go down further, and maybe you like these a little bit more round or whatever. You can take it down as far as you want. I think that's good enough to show you guys what we're doing here. And of course you can clean this up better than I have and smooth it all out. Some people like seeing the facets of the chisels. I like it smooth, but it's whatever you want. That pretty much shows you, and it's kind of the next level from the vine carve that we did last week. And I don't know, you could stipple the background or something. Maybe that would probably even make it stand out further. I show you stippling in one of the little video shorts you could watch if you want. But that's it for today on this thing, I think. We'll just keep working. I have an idea. If I can get, if people are interested in the carving, I have a fun idea that we can do something a little bigger and a little more detailed, but you can follow along each week, and we'll maybe do a part of it each week. We'll see how that goes, but for now, I think that's good enough on this Celtic design, and I hope you guys have fun. I want this thing to be more than just a look what I can do channel. I want it to be a look what you can do if you want to. You know, pick up a chisel, give it a try. It's not that hard, and it's super satisfying and super fun. And I'm here for you. You can ask me anything you want, and let's just have fun with this thing. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Have fun.